Hey, I'm Quicker, and this isn't just another channel. This is a place where we uncover the truths no one talks about, the facts hidden beneath reality. In the Quicker section, we don't waste time. We bring you fast, but deeply detailed insights, straight to the point. No distractions, because some truths don't need long explanations. They just need to be revealed. The real question is, are you ready to know the things that were never meant for you to see? And more importantly, do you really need to know them? What if every black hole in the universe is not an end, but a doorway to another universe? In the deepest parts of space, there are objects so terrifying that not even light can escape them. They are called, most people think black holes are cosmic destroyers. But what if they are actually something much more mysterious? When something falls into a black hole, it disappears forever. No signal, no trace. Nothing comes back. At least, that's what we think. But according to some scientists, the story might not end there. Because deep inside a black hole, the laws of physics start to break. Time slows down. Space bends infinitely. Reality itself begins to collapse. There is a mind-bending idea in physics called a wormhole, a tunnel, connecting two completely different points in space and time. Some theories suggest that black holes might be the entrance to these tunnels, and on the other side, not empty space, but an entirely new universe, a place with its own stars, its own galaxies, maybe even its own version of you. But here's the terrifying part. You would never survive the journey. As you fall into a black hole, you would be stretched, longer and thinner, until you're torn apart atom by atom. Scientists call this spaghettification. So even if a new universe exists on the other side, no one can ever come back to tell the story. Some physicists believe something even stranger. What if our entire universe was born inside a black hole? A black hole in another, larger universe. That would mean we are living inside something we can never escape. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember this. Every black hole you see might not be a grave. It might be a gateway, a silent door, because the universe is far more terrifying than you think.